Hi, this is Minakshi from Backpacking with My Lens and welcome to my Niagara Falls travel vlog. We embarked on a weekend trip to Niagara Falls City in Ontario. We flew from Seattle to Buffalo, met our friends and drove all the way to Niagara Falls City. After standing in line for 15 minutes at the border crossing, we finally entered Canada. Checked into a hotel and headed out to see the most awaited spot of this trip, the mighty Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls isn't one waterfall, not two, but three magnificent waterfalls flowing side by side. Stunning, right? We then headed to a restaurant called Delhi Junction for an early dinner. They had all kinds of Indian staples including classic thalis, parathas and Indo-Chinese food. And also enjoyed some hot chai from a stall next to the restaurant. And headed back to the Niagara Falls lookout to see the night views. We then walked around the Niagara River Parkway street that reminded us of Las Vegas. The street was full of casinos and themed hotels that were fun to explore, and ended our day watching fireworks over Niagara Falls. On day 2, we started pretty early and watched the sun rise beautifully behind the stunning American Falls. It was one of the best sunrises I've seen in the US. I definitely recommend doing this when visiting Niagara Falls. For breakfast, we stopped by Continental Pancake House and relished their coffee and pancakes. And then headed to the most awaited activity of this trip, riding the Hornblower. If you take the ferry from the US side, it's called Maid of the Mist. This 20-minute boat tour offers a closer look at all three falls and is a must-do activity when visiting Niagara Falls. We then bid our friends goodbye and headed back to the US side, walking over the Rainbow Bridge. We then explored some overlook points at the Niagara Falls State Park in the US side. This gave us a complete perspective of this massive waterfall, both from its point of origin and the best viewpoint. Our final stop of the day was Buffalo City downtown. We walked around the city for a while, exploring some historic landmarks, and ended our day relishing some delicious Buffalo-style pizza. Niagara Falls City makes a perfect weekend getaway destination. This is an iconic landmark that definitely deserves to be visited at least once. You can check out my complete guide on the blog. I'm adding the link in the description box below. Don't forget to like it if you enjoyed this video and do subscribe to my channel for more such itineraries and guides.